Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss about another two of this array method. Okay, I want to discuss about another two of this array method as a concat method and also the slice method. Okay, so with this concat method, what exactly we can do? Better I want to show you with the live example. I remove everything. I take one of the constant variable. I take one of the constant variable as a number. Okay, number 1. And here I declare one of the array, and into this array area I want to declare some of the array value as 1, 2 and then 3. Okay, I simply take it, and also I take another one as a constant and the number 2 another variable, and here I want to load another array value. I make it as a 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this type of one of the array I simply take it. Okay, perfect. So here I take two of this array. One is the number 1 and another I take another variable as a number 2. Here I declare another array, right? So now with this concat, if you want to combine both of this array data, then you can actually combine both of this array data with this method as a concat method. Okay, like if in our number 1 there is a 1, 2, 3, and in our number 2 there is a value as a 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I want to combine both of these. That means I want to join both of this array data. Okay, here if you want to do that work, then only you have to do better. I take another variable as a number, and into this number area here I want to combine our which one? I want to combine our number 1, and then I want to connect it. That means I want to join it with our method as a concat method. Okay, so with this concat method I want to join our which one? I want to join our another variable as a number 2, right? So I simply take it with this number 2. You can do that work with using another operator as a spread operator. In our next video I will show you that things with the live example. So right now with this concat method I join that number 1 array data, and that is our with the concat method that is our another one as a number 2, right? So now if you want to visible it, so I want to visible it with the console log, and then I want to display our number. Okay, number. So I simply display it. So now let's check this out. If you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, yeah, you can see it's now successful. So now it's combining all that both of this data, that is a 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's now successfully combined both of these data. That means it's successfully joined two of this array. I hope friend it's very much clear to you. So now another method as a slice method. So with this slice method, here if you want to get a specific some of the array data value, then with this value if you want to create another array, then you can do that work with using this slice. I show you. Like here I take one of the variable, okay, with the constant variable I name it as a number. Okay, I name it as a number, and then I want to call another array. I'll take it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, perfect. I take one of the array value as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. And now I want to take our this 4 to 7. Okay, this part with this I want to take it from here, and with this I want to declare another array. So if you want to do that work, you can do that work with using that slice. Like here I take another variable. Okay, I take that as a constant. I name it as a slice. Okay, slice array. So I take this type of one of the variable, and now here first of all that will be as a numbers, right? That is a numbers, and into this numbers area which slice you want to take. So first of all you have to declare that slice method. So that is our slice method, and into this slice method area here we have to declare our index. Okay, that means that is a 0 index, and then the 1 index, then the 2 index, right? So I want to take it from to the 4 and 4 to 7. Okay, for now I want to take it as a 4 to 7, so that will be as a 3. I make it as a 3 index. Okay, that is a 3 index, and then I want to make it as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to take it as a 6. Okay, I just simply take it as a 6. And now if you click as a want to display it with the console. Okay, console, with the console log I want to display our this slice area. Okay, that means a slice array. So I simply declare this variable name. Now everything will be more clear. Click as a save all. Now go there, click as a refresh. You can see it's now perfect. It's now perfectly get our this part as a 4 index, that is a 3 index. The index is started from to the 4, and then 6 index is the 6, right? So now it successfully get this data, this appropriate this position data, and now it's generated another new array. Okay, I hope it's very much clear. So we can, with this slice method, you can do that work very easily. I hope, friend, you understand that concat method and then slice method. And you can also join two of this table with using that spread operator. I will show you in our next video, but I want to show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.